Hi mga loves! Welcome back to my channel. It's Maricel here. I hope all is well, and for those who's new here, hi, nice to meet you. My name is Maricel. So in today's video, I would love to share to you how to make a traditional kutsinta, but for some reason I've changed my mind. I would love to make an ube kutsinta this time. Actually, this is my second time that I'm gonna be making this, and this time I'll be using a ube flavor. So in that case, we will be needing an ube flavor or ube extract. So I am using this one, any brand will do. So we need a 1 cup of all-purpose flour here. We do need 4 tablespoons of cornstarch. We also need a white sugar and 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and we'll be needing also a 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So it gives more aroma on our kutsinta. And also, of course, we do need water, so I'll be using a bottled water, but I'll be using a microwave, so we do need 2 cups of water, a warm water. So I'm going to put this inside the microwave for like few seconds or maybe a minute. So okay, let's get started. Alright mga loves, let's do sifting here. This is our all-purpose flour. We are going to do all the dried ingredients first. And this cornstarch, and I'll go ahead put this salt, alright, that's done. And our 1 cup of white sugar. Let's give this a mix. You can use brown sugar. Traditionally, that's we use if you wanna make the regular kutsinta, but since I'm making the ube, I'm not going to. Alright, my loves, so here is our Ube Kutsinta. And you can always choose whatever toppings you prefer to, like grated coconut. You can even use condensed milk. You can use what else? Cheese, any kind of cheese that you want. Just like me right now, I am only using cheese because I don't have a fresh coconut, which is fine. Alright, ta-da! It's done! I hope you learned from this video today, mga loves, and if you do like it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and like, and I will see you in my next one. Bye! Alright, love, so it's taste time. It is so yummy. It's chewy and the sweetness, tama lang yun. Let's eat.